All right, and to use the word questions, you will have to pick the word that best completes a sentence out of some answered options. The first thing to do is work out the word class of the missing word. When I say word class, is it a noun? Is it a verb? Is it an adjective that we're looking for here? All right, in this instance, it's all about something tiny crawling on a leaf, and the missing word needs to be between an adjective and a verb, so our answer must be a noun. There are two nouns in this, girl and ant, but only one of these options can make sense in the sentence. So we can end up with ant. An ant would crawl on a leaf, a girl not so much, so ant is what we're looking for there. What about this one? So keep an eye out for those red herrings. So I've got Aishan smiled blank at his sister. What is a red herring, right? It's something that looks like the correct answer, but is indeed not. All right, one thing that can catch you out in these instances is going to be the word class of those words. Is it a noun, an adjective, or a verb? We are looking at the correct answer here as happily, and happily is an adverb. All right, so we're looking for the adverb rather than the adjective. Happy can't go in the sentence because you can't say Ishan smiled happy at his sister. We can say Ishan smiled happily at his sister. What about this one, right? So another thing we need to be careful of is those darn tenses in English. Oh, we love good tense, but sometimes they get in the way. So if we have this one, Joanna blank 100 lengths of the pool yesterday. We've got loads of options here, but we know that this one needs to be some kind of verb that we're looking for. But we have to pay attention to when it took place, right? So she did it yesterday as opposed to today or tomorrow. We've got the lovely swims and swimming, but these are red herrings because they're not in the correct tense that we're looking for. We are instead looking for a tense in the past, as in yesterday when this happened, and that's going to be swam. Joanna swam 100 lengths. So good, much better than me, Joanna. Oh my goodness, 100 lengths.